Hey everyone, today you guys will be creating your new VHL Central account. For those of you that already have an account, I will show you how to add a course in a separate video. So for those of you that need to create an account, please follow along.
Use your internet browser to go to www.vhlcentral.com. To begin, you may want to refer to our instructions to help you get started. In the New to VHL Central area, click Create an Account.
This is simply for those of you that already have an account.
On the account creation screen, enter the required information, including a username.
You guys will be using your school email and your school password for your account.
A password. And a secret question of your choice. Click Create Account. Note that you must agree to the terms and conditions of use policy.
You guys can simply skip this step. You guys do not need a code.
After your account is created, enter your SuperSite code and click the Activate Code button.
Remember to skip this step.
Next, enter your school's name along with the city and state in which your school is located.
You guys will enter Hardy Senior High.
Select your school from the list and click the Select School button. Look for notification that your school.
Then it's going to prompt you to choose which class you're in. If you are in Miss Mears Spanish 1, 4th period, that's the one that you will choose. If you're in her 6th period, you will choose 6th period. If you are in Miss Villalba's class, you would choose either 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, or 7th period. If you're enrolling in Miss Mears Spanish 2, then you would choose 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or 5th. This has to be correct in order for you to choose the correct class, okay, and be put in the correct class. Once you choose a correct class, you guys should see your book. If you're in Spanish 1, you should see the orange book. If you're in Spanish 2, you should see the green book. And it should be on the left-hand side, like Senderos 1, this would be for Spanish 1, and Senderos 2 is for Spanish 2. After that, you guys should be able to access your account by clicking on the book. Yours will look a little different. And that's it.